Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dead Cells on Android. First, you will need to download the game directly from the Google Play Store. Make sure your Android device runs at least version 6.0 or higher for the best experience. While touch controls are available, connecting a Bluetooth controller, like an Xbox or PlayStation gamepad, is highly recommended for more precise movement and combat. This setup will significantly enhance your overall gameplay experience from the very beginning. Dead Cells is a fast-paced roguelike where combat is key. You will face numerous enemies, so mastering your dodge roll and parry timing is crucial for survival. The game offers hundreds of unique weapons and skills. Try different combinations to discover powerful synergies. Remember to explore every corner of each biome, as hidden passages often contain valuable blueprints, cells, and crucial upgrades that will aid your run. Progression in Dead Cells involves collecting cells from defeated enemies. These cells are spent at the collector between runs to unlock new weapons, skills, and permanent upgrades. As you advance, you will also choose mutations, which are powerful passive abilities that significantly impact your build. Always prioritize collecting scrolls of power to boost your three main stats: brutality, tactics, and survival, enhancing both your damage and maximum health. To truly excel, focus on learning enemy attack patterns. This knowledge is vital for avoiding damage and landing critical hits. Parrying, though challenging, can turn the tide of battle by stunning foes and reflecting projectiles. Don't hesitate to restart a run if your current build isn't working out. Experimentation is a core part of the game. Remember, every death is a learning opportunity, bringing you closer to victory.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.